Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox back in the kitchen with another wonderful video for you today. Now, today I am in my apron, okay? Looking like a little girl, all right? But in this video, I'm going to show you a healthy meal. This is something you guys have been requesting, so I am obliging, okay? Today is one of a favorite meal of ours, and it's pizza. All right, well, today I want to show you a very healthy way of making pizza that's going to stick and be within your weight loss journey, because this pizza is made with cauliflower crust. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be making my delicioso personal cauliflower pizza crust. So let me show you how I'm going to make this wonderful delicious dish. So let's start right now. Now, I'm going to be using my juicer today only because I need to extract all of the juices from the cauliflower, so I am not going to chop this up too fine because I just needed to get through my juicer. So for those of you who have a juicer, you can do this step. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this into pieces to get through my juicer. And I'm going to rinse them off really well. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to show you a very easy way to get your cauliflower dry, get all that excess water out of it, because the water is what's going to make your crust very soggy. So this is a good way of getting rid of the excess water. If not, you may have to use your microwave. Okay, you guys, and we are done. Now look at this. This made exactly, or a little over 2 cups of juice. So that's all of the fluid that we got out of that cauliflower. But the part that we're going to be using is here, the pulp. And this is what we're working with, you guys. Okay, all of the pulp that is needed. Now it is still moist, but you know, hopefully this will do it. Get most of the water out of it. Okay, so let's move over to our counter where we can finish this up. Okay, you guys, so now we are back and we're getting ready to start making our cauliflower crust. Now it is so simple, it's so easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy. Now I'm going to put in a separate bowl 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now I'm just going to put in also 2 cups of my cauliflower and 1 egg. Now I'm also going to add into this mixture 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed, 1/4 No, 1/2 teaspoon of my basil, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of my pink Himalayan salt. So I'm also just going to add that in here. And now it's time to make our dough. So for every 2 cups, you're going to use 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and then your seasonings. Now the flax seeds are additional. You don't have to add flax seeds in. And I tell you, cauliflower stinks. Oh my gosh. So that's it for the crust. Now let's get it onto our pan. Okay. All right, you guys. So I have a pan and I have some parchment paper. Okay. And what I'm going to do is take my dough. All right. I'm going to spray my parchment paper. Right, and hopefully that won't stick. Okay, and now my pizza dough is ready for the oven. Okay, now what I'm realizing is these really make small personal size pizzas, so don't expect to feed a full family on this unless you make enough cauliflower. Okay, so let me pop this in the oven, which is already set for 400, and now I'm just going to bake this for 10 minutes on each side. Alright, you guys, so what you're going to do next, once you take your pizza crust out of the oven, what we're going to do is we're going to flip this over. So you're going to get a plate, put it on top. Now it's going to be very hot, so you got to be really careful. So you're going to take your mitt and a plate, and you're just going to flip it over. Okay, and then slide your crust on that side. Okay, and now you're going to pop it right back in your oven for another 10 minutes. Alrighty. And I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so that's it. That's how you make cauliflower pizza crust. Okay, very simple, very easy. All right, and it's healthy. So I'm only showing you the first step in this video on how to make the pizza crust. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'm going to prepare a meal. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share with your friends and family these videos. That's healthy meals, healthy meal ideas for you. I mean, it's simple, it's easy. Okay, and you guys, don't forget to check down below for the links for other items that you can purchase, as well as check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will get hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and more. All right, and until the next time, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.